Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to navigate the Choice Bingo activity. You're going to go ahead and click on whatever interests you, and you can see how it is set up. This is an example of you going through steps in order to create drawings. If I click on the example, you can see what students are able to create. So basically, you're redrawing these clip art images. The majority of the links are pretty much set up on a Google Drawing with steps. However, some of them are a little different. You might click on it and get an activity to follow through. Now, you will not have editing privileges. I'm going to show you what this will look like if you're logged in as someone else. Notice it says view only. So here's an example of what you can do so you have editing privileges. You would choose File, Make a Copy. And I'm going to go ahead and click OK at this time. And I will show you how to retrieve these copies that you can make for this project. Here's another example. So what you can do is you can look at the activity to determine if you're interested in doing it. There are directions, and then it shows you how to set them up. So here's an example of what you would do. You would come up with a pun and then replace the image on the following slides. Some of the links actually go to a video. And here's a link that shows an example of a hypothetical site that you can create. This is a bakery. If you know how to make sites in Google, you can easily put together a website like this on a hypothetical business that you come up with. Or you might have a business of your own that you want to try and promote by making a Google site. As mentioned earlier, I said I was going to demonstrate how to locate your material in your Google Drive if you chose to make a copy. I'll go ahead and make a new tab. I will go to the correct account. I will then go up to the right-hand corner and choose Drive. And I know that copy happens to be in the name, so I will choose Copy to locate those two items that I downloaded. I did download Coding Activities, and I also downloaded Copy of Punny Unit. So I'm going to go ahead and hold the Control key and select those two, and I'm going to go ahead and expand my drive, and I'm going to actually put it in my online portfolio unit in order to add it to my digital portfolio. You can put it in whatever folder you want. I just want to show you how to locate these items so that you can edit them for a project. So I'm going to go ahead and expand Computer Design, and I'll go ahead and just take those two items and I will drag it into Computer Design. I will choose OK because I set those up to be shared publicly. If I go ahead and open up those folders, I might right-click and choose Rename and go ahead and get rid of the copy. Now you can go ahead and open up those activities and put the presentation together. This concludes the session on how to navigate the Choice Bingo activity. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.